Good morning, guys. So it is a Friday and I'm currently getting ready for work, and Siaosi just left for work, but I'm making myself a smoothie. I don't know why I just said that, was so stupid. I'm making myself a smoothie. As you guys know, I'm not on my 90-day challenge, but I'm not trying to not eat healthy altogether. I'm still incorporating a good, balanced diet into my lifestyle. My arm's getting sore because this is the big camera. At the moment, I am making myself a green tea, or I have made myself a green tea, and I'm about to blend my smoothie. So today I've got kale, I've got fresh blueberries, I've got banana, very ripe banana. Then I just put in a frozen mixed berries, which has got raspberries, strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries. And let me just get my NutriBullet out. I forgot to mention that I also put coconut water in there. So there's coconut water in there. I've also got my kale sitting here in a bowl with water, just because it was, I don't know, losing itself in the fridge. So hopefully Siaosi and I will be able to cook something tonight to use it. And I'll be making smoothies over the weekend as well for Aussie and I. I'll probably have one for dinner tonight. Hey guys, so it is Friday night and it's about 9 PM. I'm watching the Fiji vs Italy game and Siaosi's actually there at the moment. I actually look really tired, but I'm actually not that tired. I'm home alone, just editing the vlog, and yeah. Good morning, guys. So it is a Saturday. I'm just cooking Siaosi breakfast. He just got home from work, and we're just listening to music. I'm making him scrambled eggs with bacon. I had some fruit for breakfast.
This is our shop for today. Now guys, we are going home now. We finished to the shop. Big shop. What else should we do now?
Go home. I need some work shoes. So it is like Saturday evening and we just left my mama's house. We've been there like all Arvo watching all the rugbies, and
hello everyone.
We've come to Woolies because Siaosi wants me to make bite. And I'm like, I am tired. It's like almost 11 o'clock and we're coming to Woolies.
That's why you get.
We're coming to Woolies so that, because we're missing ingredients. Yeah, but I thought we were going back home early, and when I told you let's go home, you were like, no. We're Skyrika Mahamo! Skyrika Mamuku!
Yeah, boy. Hello guys. Now we're here at Woolies Zoo.
I just told them that.
Oh, to make a pie. Because I really want to make a pie. I like it. I want to eat pie. In Samoa, they always make a pie.
If you ate pie, I love pie.
Yes, I know how to do the pie. That's a different recipe to make the pie. That's why we come here to do the pie. Here guys, we come here to make a, look for something to make a pie. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Guys, I feel sick. This guy. bit on the side. Here guys, kamera ku may ku koi over bit aso. Musang banga banga ko ngore faro. Bit akiri.
Malo guys, my name's Siaosi. Guys, we are making bai. It is like almost 12 and we're still up making bai. Are you having fun there, Os?
Yep.
I'm tired. We've got the oven on over there. Morning guys, it's Sunday morning and I made bai. So I made these bad boys. We're just going to the shops to get some peanuts. Yeah, so we're hanging our clothes up there because there's not much sun down the bottom. There's fat smelly bum there. Verkeer ook een melia. Look it, boo. Ew, I'm going this way. As I said, we're going to go and get some peanuts to put on the bai and then go to Mum's house. Oh, we gotta rush back and make something to take to them for kongai. So we're back home now again. We're gonna come and quickly cook some lunch. Thanks.
Yeah, fuck up.
Ore kumo uri ma ke vai mai ore kumo uri. Na ponki long maka. So I'm gonna cook chicken carbonara. I gotta be quick because my family's waiting on me.
This there is too slow, guys. Very slow.
Ew, why are you talking like that?
You are very slow.
Oh, what if I fall by?
You are very, very slow.
Because that's all you can do anyways. That's all you know how to cook.
You are
just
very
sprinkle a little bit of
slow,
peanuts on a pie.
Carol, you are very slow, Carol. You better, Carol. You better quit, Carol. I'm just making a pie because this I'll do it last time.
I did it.
No, just only mix it and I'll do all the pie. Yeah, comment below if it's true.
No, it's not true. They saw my Snapchat. You guys saw my Snapchat.
Forever.
No, you guys saw my Snapchat. You seen that I was standing there faithfully.
Yeah, just standing that time and snap, but me always do everything. Yeah, guys, comment below if you Team Siaosi. Oh, you not Team Victoria. Just look how I make this food. It's gonna squishing there.
It's not gonna squishing on me. Just finished my carbonara.
No.
Look how yummy it is.
No, guys, not her carbonara. This is my carbonara.
Guys, if you've been watching us, then you know that that's mine. If you know who we are, then you know that I made that. Have you ever seen Siaosi cook?
Guys,
have you ever seen you cook?
I always cook
whatever. Food. I also took ooh, damn son. I also cooked some garlic. Huh? I already turned off the oil. Alright. So Siaosi, la uma me ir ka vale. Me ku umbi ai. La uma me ir ka vale. Can you please wrap these? Gosh. Just wrap it, you big dum-dum. Wrap it in foil. Yeah, we're coming now, Mum. We're finished. Bye.
Alright, go with them up the end.
That was by the monsters and I'm playing Baby Mama.
Okay, one day there was a big
monster.
scary monster.
And then Mummy and Daddy tried to stop him, and then they couldn't. He was too strong, so he gobbled them up. And then he went on to Baby Mona. Baby Mona was crying in the sitting room, watching TV, but no one was there to protect Baby Mona. Then Darnell came, and he jumped in front of the big scary monster, and the big monster gobbled Darnell up too. Then it was just Baby Mona and Amaziah. And then when the monster came, and there was only Amaziah, and you were gobbled up. You were already gobbled up. No. And then the monster came, and it was just Amaziah and Baby Mona. And then when the monster went to eat Baby Mona, Amaziah, aka Ching Chong, and he stood up to that big monster, and he fought the big monster off with his superpowers. And Amaziah was punching him, kicking him, and he defeated the big scary monster, and him and Baby Mona lived. So what? So do you like that story? Yeah.
So does that mean I'm dead?
Yeah.
With Mom and Dad?
Yeah.
That's not happy ever after.
And it does scare me, but it does scare me, and does scare me, but it doesn't scare me. I'm happy.
Oh, so it scared you a little bit, but then you got happy
Yeah.
because you got to beat the monster?
Yeah.
Well, how about I change it a bit and I'll make it that they don't kill anybody?
I was a little bit scared.
Once upon a
Why were you a little bit scared?
time, we once saw
Because you beat the baby, you beat the monster.
Yeah.
Yeah, but why are you scared then?
Because he started. Because I took the stone and then the police and the police will take him and the police came and the aliens will eat him up.
Really, nigga?
Hi guys, what doing?
What?